Hi friends, let us have a look on warfarin pharmacological actions. Warfarin is a coumarin derivative used as anticoagulant. Warfarin inhibits formation of a reduced form of vitamin K by blocking the vitamin K epoxide reductase, resulting inhibition of vitamin K dependent coagulatory factors formation and activation. Warfarin affects the extrinsic pathway, that is, indirect pathway. Warfarin mainly administered through oral route. Warfarin can cross placenta and it produces teratogenic effects. Warfarin antagonist is vitamin K, that is, phytomenadione. Increased concentrations of vitamin K administration reverses the actions of warfarin, means it competitively reverses the actions of warfarin. Warfarin reduces vitamin K dependent factors. Warfarin impairs post-translational modifications of factor 2 prothrombin, factor 7 stable factor, 9 Christmas factor, and 10 stout factor. Especially warfarin produce mainly a side effect skin necrosis, hemorrhage, syncope, and angina-like symptoms. Warfarin has no effect on previously circulated clotting factors or previously formed thrombus. It just inhibits formation of vitamin K dependent factors. Thank you.